Broken sauce, chef. Need a new one.
Yes, chef.
Fire 31, 25, 2 out on 31, chefs.
Hey!
Still not there again, chef.
Yes, chef.
Thank you, chef. Wait on 31, chefs.
Hey!
Why?
Chef, I'm sorry it got too hot.
Why?
It didn't cool down.
Why?
But it was my fault.
Go.
Fine.
Fire 19, chefs.
Hey!
Hold on 17, chefs.
Hey!
Why do you hire fucking idiots? Do you like working with fucking idiots?
I'll do better.
Say yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Can you not handle this? Is it too much for you? Answer me.
I can handle it.
I can handle it, chef.
Handle it, chef.
12, 10, 36.
Fire, 8,
Don't
13,
fuck with my
36.
count.
Sorry,
3,
chef. 8,
52,
13,
14.
29, chef.
Why are you serving broken sauces? Why? I get it. You have a short man's complex. You can barely reach over this fucking table, right? Is this why you have the tattoos and your cool little scars and you go out and you take your smoke breaks? It's fun, isn't it? But here's the thing. You're terrible at this. You're no good at it. Go faster, motherfucker. Keep going faster. Why are you so slow? Why are you so fucking slow? Why? You think you're so tough? Yeah. Why don't you say this? Say yes, chef. I'm so tough.
Yes, chef. I'm so tough.
Say fucking yes, chef. I'm so tough.
Yes, chef. I'm so tough.
You are not tough. You are bullshit. You are talentless. Say fucking hands.
Hands.
You should be dead.
Hands.
Sandwich. Giving that to the homeless guy?
Hands. Somebody fucking answer me.
Get that sandwich at the $5
Hands.
at Goodwill.
Fucking Christ. Hands, please. Please.
Relax.
Yeah, thank you, chef.
Now what do I put this in the trash?